bringing you down to earth, understanding a popular English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, bring down to earth. This idiom is widely used in English conversations, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and demystify this phrase together. Bring down to earth is an idiom that means to help someone face reality, or to make someone understand the true nature of a situation, especially if they have been dreaming or thinking unrealistically. When we use this phrase, we're essentially talking about bringing someone's thoughts or expectations back to what is practical and achievable, away from fantasies or illusions. The phrase, bring down to earth, has a metaphorical origin. It suggests the action of returning from a high or lofty place, like space, back to the ground, where reality lies. This metaphor is powerful because it visually represents the transition from being up in the clouds of imagination or idealism to standing firmly on the ground of reality. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. After discussing her plans to become a famous actress overnight, her friends had to bring her down to earth, reminding her of the hard work and luck involved. His latest project failure brought him down to earth, making him realize the importance of thorough planning and research. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, always with the idea of returning to a practical or realistic perspective. 1. Use it to offer advice. When someone's plans seem unrealistic, you can gently use this phrase to advise them towards more practical solutions. 2. Be empathetic. Remember, the goal is to help, not to hurt. Use the phrase in a way that is supportive and understanding. 3. Combine with constructive suggestions. After bringing someone down to earth, offer concrete, realistic suggestions to help them move forward. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and usage of bring down to earth. We hope this video has helped clarify this phrase for you and that you can now use it confidently in your own conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to enrich your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to bring your dreams down to earth as you set achievable goals in your language learning journey. See you in the next video.